How to use Hnry accounting software. So in order for you to start with this, all you have to do is go to any web browser and then type Hnry, and this is the interface. So to start, what you're going to do is you have to tap on the join now button above. Click this one. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Then it will lead you to this. I'll be using Hnry in. So you have to choose your country and your field of work. So you can just simply tap this one. You will have options below. Just select which one. And then once done, then what you're going to do next is agree with their terms and agreement and then tap on get started. Now you can sign up using your Google account, and also you can sign up using your email and password. But for me, the easiest way to create Hnry is to just connect this to my Google account, and this is what it looks like. So by the way, what is this Hnry software? So this is an all-in-one accounting service designed specifically for sole traders, freelancers, and contractors in Australia, New Zealand, and the UK. It combines a digital app with live expert accountant support to handle your entire financial admin, so you never had to think about tax again. So this is dashboard. This is where you can see everything. If you tap on invoices right here. So in Hnry invoices, you need to complete your profile before you unlock this one. But here is where you can create or set up schedule and recurring invoices. Now for expenses, if you tap this one right here, this is where, or this is a tool that lets freelancers and sole traders easily track and claim business related expenses through the Hnry application. So you can tap on create new, select expense type. You can tap this arrow facing down right here. So you can select expense, category, and so on. And then you can now create your expense right here. So basically, all receipts are stored securely and your tax is updated on the spot. No spreadsheets, no stress. So you can upload your receipt right here. Then you can fill in expense type, amount, business reason, and you can just basically add whatever it is here. And then after that, you can now tap on submit. Okay, you can also email receipts to Hnry. Just forward them to receipts@hnry.co.nz. All uploaded receipts are stored for 7 years. Once submitted, Hnry's accountants will review and approve the expense. So that's the good thing about this tool. Now talking about or going to pay slips. So in Hnry tool, every time you receive a payment into your Hnry account, Hnry deducts taxes like income tax, GST, ACC, student loan, Medicare, then issues a payslip just like a traditional employer would. Now, allocations in Hnry. So in Hnry, allocations let you automatically split your income to different personal accounts or goals every time you get paid without manual transfer. So you get paid into your Hnry account after tax is deducted. Hnry automatically sends percentages of your net income to your savings account, your investment, your loan, and your charities. You can create different types of allocation here. For example, you can set 10% to savings, retirement fund, personal account. So every time you get paid, Hnry splits automatically. So no extra work. Now, what is this Hnry client? So in Hnry, a client is anyone or any entity who pays you for your independent self-employed services. Clients are central to how many Hnry manages your income, tax, invoicing, and compliance. Typically include photographers, drivers, designers, consultants, real estate agents, and basically any self-employed person earning income independently. So you can just add or set up your client's name and email and specify if they deduct tax at source. You can skip adding clients initially and come back later once you have a clear information. So clients can be added in app, individually, or even imported in bulk CSV, useful for power users. Now code. So code in Hnry is a document you send to a client before starting a job, outlining what you will do and how much it will cost. It is useful for getting a client or client approval before invoicing. So you can create and send professional codes in the Hnry app or website. You can include job description, pricing, taxes, and client details. Aside from that, client can approve the code online, and once approved, you can automatically turn it into an invoice with one click. Now here below, so you can see different options like services and income sources. So in Hnry, you will see the services and income sources. It refers to the different ways to earn money as a freelancer, contractor, or sole trader. Hnry helps you track and manage all these earnings efficiently. So basically, you can add here like you can create here income source, for example, freelancer, and you can add a more information here. So the different clients or channels you receive payments from, that is the income source. You can list your main services and income types in your Hnry profile to keep organized records. Hnry uses this info to help categorize payments correctly, prepare accurate tax filings, and generate reports showing which services or clients bring the most income. Okay, so all you have to do is to fill in some information right here and then tap on save. So basically, once you have added this, then you can go to your profile or settings and add or update your main services offered. Okay, so this is the information. Then you can add more if you want. So add again another income source and then add some information. Then Hnry will just categorize this and the payments correctly. Now the last thing here is settings. So in Hnry settings, you can see here your personal details. Also, you can see here tax settings, client and contacts, invoice and code preferences, payment allocation, expense settings, notifications, and security. So basically, if you want to edit something here or if you want to add like branding, okay, you can add it right here. Security like two-factor authentication, and then also here on Hnry, you can add your vehicle if you want. So basically, this information are all safe. Don't need to worry. It will be stored right here in case you forgot them someday. Then Hnry will have these records for you. So that's it. That is all for settings. So you can keep your tax and financial info up to date. You can ensure smooth invoicing and payment processing and protect your account security. Now, lastly, why choose Hnry? So, if you're looking for all-in-one solution for combining invoicing, expense tracking, tax calculations, and filings in one easy-to-use platform, no need for separate account software. Choose Hnry for automatic tax deductions, real account support, save time and reduce stress. For flexible and pay as you earn pricing, business bank account and debit card, mobile friendly and easy to use, instant tax relief, then this one is for you. So if you're a freelancer, contractor, or sole trader who wants a simple, trustworthy way to handle invoicing, expenses, and tax backed by real accountants, Hnry is made for you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.